we have two numbers that we are going to sing together. The first one is In My Father's House, are many mentions. In my Father's house there are many rooms. If I would not have told you, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go to prepare a place for you, I will come again and take you to where I am. There we may be forever and ever. The second song that we are going to sing this evening is Soon and Very Soon We Are Going to See the King. Family, wherever you are, come on. Come up to the front. And I know that you may have lost some of your own loved ones. And it is our prayer that in that place that God has prepared, a place where we would say hello and never goodbye, that will be our place that we would want to be. Where we will see our loved ones. And that's the family reunion that we are all looking forward to.